share your screen and go
Visible
through
to my
today's
screen.
topic. Yes,
Okay.
I'm able to
Uh,
see your screen
okay.
and walk me through. Over to you, Mahesh.
Hi Ravali, good evening. My name is Mahesh. Today discussing about the 6 to 10 lesson. These are modules and importing into modules, revenue and margin modules, price growth modules, employee and non-employee expensive. What is a module? Module are multi-dimensional homes for the data. The data is displayed in grid format similarly to spreadsheet, but with an important difference. Module can hold more than two dimensions. Modules work together to form a module. Module is a key component of the Anaplan. It is a powerful and flexible of the Anaplan. Module dimensions like pages and rows, columns. Okay, create a module. I am go to the workspace. I am creating one module. I am creating new model. Model name is Mahesh one. Click the create model and successfully created model. I am creating a module. Go to the module and to see the inside the module. Click on that and enter the module name. I am entering hello and line items. Line one, line two, line three. Okay, after that, okay. Module is successfully created. Go to the next. How to add a formula? Go to the one more time in my work page and open the my module. Keep the module. Open it. This is the blueprint view. Open a blueprint view, and this is the formula bar, and this is also formula edge bar. And once see the image and figure. This is the formula edge bar, and this is a formulas. And top of the formula, expand the formula bar, and we can formula is correct. We can click the tick bar, and after that, it is wrong the formula, and into the tick the into. Once again, I will go to the module. This is the formula extended bar. I am writing the line item in this. I am writing the formula in line item. Start start. This is correct. Tick the click button, and after that, it is not correct. Tick enter into and go to the next blueprint view. Go to the once more module. This is the blueprint view. This is a grid view. We have a blueprint view. This is a line item. So line one and line two, line three. And this is the formula bar, and this is the formatted. I am explaining next and formatted, and this is the summary settings. See the ones. This is the formulas, line item and formulas formatted list time and version. I am explaining next. Go to the text grid view. Once more time go to the module. This is the grid view. So this is the line items, and this is the rows, and this is a column. These are the columns. A module grid view is a default view of module. Grid view initially display the data in the layout created on the new model screen, but the layout can be changed later. The dimensions list and line items included in the module are show the page selector. This is a rows, and this is a, we have any dimensions applied will be displayed on the page selector. New York sales. This is a page selector. This is rows and these are columns. Next, we can go to the next. Blueprint view settings. I am explaining in this. So go to the once more module. This is the blueprint view settings. This is a line items and this is the formatted. This is formula bar. This is summary method. In summary method, we have different options like sum, none, formula, average, ratio, min, and maximum. And formatted settings also, it is a different formatted, number formatted, boolean formatted, date formatted, time period formatted, list formatted, text formatted, no data formatted. And applies to this is a list type. We have any list apply, click the three dots, and this is the list organization list and users list. Time scale and time range and version. This is a style of the line items and cell count of the line item. Line 1 cell count is 17 and line 2 is 70. Total line items cell count 51. Go to the next one. This is a blueprint view settings, formula, style, format, cell count, summary applies to time and version formula editing. This is a formula settings. I am going to once more module. Formula settings. This is a number. Number will apply the display the only number value, and boolean apply only true or false. It is declaring the boolean format. Date function will see the date values. Time period will weeks, month, quarter, half year, and year. Will We have a months display the values. So I am click the months list. List we have any created list will display the in this list box. I am creating only two list, organization and users. We have any our requirement, we have any selected that organization or users. Next, text. Text means in this only three types of general, link and email. We have only used in general. No data means no value in this. Go to the next. This is the format settings. I am explaining this. Number and boolean, true or false, date, time period, list and text, no data. Applies to time scale and version. Go to the modules one. This is the applies to in this is a list formatted and to time scale. We have a created modules line item 1, line 2, line 3. I am changes the summary method. We have changes time scale. We have changes the not applicable. I am tick the not applicable. So to see the data, we will not be displayed on any month. Go to the next. I am entering months. Will display the only month values. We have January 22, February 22, March 22. Will be displayed only month value. I am changing the quarter. Will display the only quarter years. To see the data. In quarter 1, FI means fiscal year 22, quarter 2, fiscal year 22, quarter 3, fiscal year 22, quarter 4, fiscal year 22. Go to the years. Will display on the only years value. To see the this is the only year, fiscal year. FI means fiscal year 22. I'm selecting only months. Applies to it changes list and dimension for the module with applies to time scale. We have selected different time scale for the module within a time scale, month and quarter, year, version. It includes or excludes all version within the version settings. Go to the next. Explaining this system module. Module is a key components of the Anaplan. It is a powerful and flexible of the Anaplan, like modules like Anaplan pages and rows and columns. A copy a module. How to copy the module? Go to the modules one. This is I am creating already a hello module. Keep the hello, and in this copy the option here. Click that, and OK. We have copy the successful module to see the. This is the copy module. Hello, and this is a correct module. In this hello is a copy the module. And types of the time function. Time function is year and month and hour, second. This is the types of the time function. What is the time? What is the summary method do? Go to the once modules. Hello module is open. This is the summary method. Summary method will different types of none, formula, average, ratio, and min and maximum. And time summary method it is very it is a different types. None, formula, average, ratio, min and maximum, closing balance and opening the balance. I am changes the in summary method. Some for now, I am click the none value. First of all, I am entering any value in this line item. For example, 100. We'll see you see the quarter one value will display the 100. I am changing the summary method will be automatically changes in values. Go to the summary method once. I am changing none. Quarter one FY22 will 100 is not displayed. I am changing the another ones. Average. This is 100 average 33.33 will be displayed. This is a ratio. A ratio is not displaying in. I am entering next to 275 values. We see the next I am applying the min value and maximum values. First min value. Go to the grid view. Will display only min value 120 275 minimum value 75 will be displayed. And after that I am applying the maximum value. It will be displaying the maximum value. You see the maximum value is 200. It will be displayed 200. Go to the next PPT. Explain about the lookup function. The lookup function is lookup the values. Will be source module to target module in line items. We have the applied in lookup function. After that, okay. Next, I am going to the next slide. We have created one system module. Go to the modules once and click the modules and inserting modules. Enter the module name system module. Name is SYS06 modules and line items. First day of month, last day of month, day of month, last day of month. Next current period, current period start. These are the line items. Actual period, forecast period, next forecast months only. We have the line items in this system module. Completed the line items. After that, okay, it will be successful created system modules. Go to the blueprint view once. These line items will changes the formatted. First day of month will be formatted, date formatted. I'm changing the date formatted. Last day of month is will be changes formatted. This is also date formatted. Current period is boolean format. Current period start will be, this is also date formatted. Actual period in this boolean formatted. Forecast period, this is boolean formatted. Forecast months only, this is also boolean formatted. Every date formatted. Mm, okay, this is okay. You see the grid view once. This will be current period. So to boolean formatted is text the bar boxes. We have see the in this line items. Date formatted is not selected in boxes. This is also date formatted. Forecast of months, and second one is last date of month. Third one is the current period of start. This three is date formatted, and this four is boolean formatted. Go to the ones PPT. We have add the in this line item first day of first month, last day of month, current period start, actual period, forecast months only. Go to the next. I am successfully applying the line item, and I am applying the formulas. Go to the blueprint view. We have applied in this formula bar. This is a extended formula bar. I am applying this. This start. The second one is last day of month is end. This current period will be current period start and start. Current period start is equal to start will be successfully applied. Current period start. This is the current period only start. Applying the formula. Here the current period has to start. Actual period. Go to the formula bar. Start less than current period start. Current period start. And forecast period. Go to the formulas one. Start greater than is equal to current period start. Current period start. Boolean formatted. Less than equal to current period start. To see the data, the first day of first month will be display on this. To see this first day of first month, 1/1/2022, first day of first month and first year, 2022. And second date and second 1/2022, first day of first month, second day of first month, third day of first month. This is the last day of last month, 31 last date in January first month. Second last day February 28, last day of second day, last date of second month. Last day of third month. Go to the next PPT. Types of the import methods: manual import and Anaplan connect and abstract transform load ETL connectors and rest of API. Next source module and target module. These are the importing methods. Go to the next. Create a new module. I am importing the in this module. Created first. I am creating the one module. Go to the settings. Take the inserting module. I am creating one module. Name by this line items will be added. Rows and columns. This is the line items. After OK, module will be successfully created. In this module importing the product list. I am already downloading in product list. In this module I am importing the product list. Go to the data setting, and this is the top import. Take that. Go to the upload file. This product list. I am already downloading the product list. Click open. This is the product list and the product code, product name, family code, size. This header rows one, first data row is second. It will be correct. After that, go to the next. This is a mapping by line items, rows, and columns, and in this column headers. And first one is ask each time import. Go to the time by the line item. In this line items will be added rows and columns high and by. Map it manually. Go to the product code. Sorry, I am once wait. I am changing the line items once. Code and product. Code and family code size. Family code and size. These line items will be deleted. Go to the once importing the data. Product click the product file and select. This is the column headers and time it is a fixed ask each time import to run. It will be mapped automatically, and after that I am mapped the once product code and code product name. There is no mapping, so this is ignore and map, and select the run the click the run import. Time will be selected FY22 fiscal year 22 run. I will be successfully importing the data. Go to the grid view and go to the next. This is the revenue and margin module. What is the revenue? Revenue is the amount of money the company brings in from product sales. Revenue is calculated by multiplying the number of products sold and the unit price of each product. For example, if a nut bar sells for 84 cents each and the company sold 260 bars, the revenue generated would be $218.40. Will be calculated dot 4 into 260 is equal to 218.40. What is a margin? Margin is calculated by subtracting the cost of sales from the revenue. In this example, dollar 218.40 revenue minus dollar 62.40 cost of sales equal to dollar 156.00. Go to the next. Copy down and copy across. Go to the modules. I am explaining the copy down and copy across. This module grid view open. I am entering 100 value. In this value will display the family code and size to see the data. This is added 100. This is a copy down and copy across. Copy across will be display the February 22, March 22, and April 22, May 22, June 22, July 22. Will be um, it will be automatically added in the this one 100 and 22 March 2200 and April 2200 May 2200 will be automatically generated, and this is the copy across and this is a copy down. Go to the PPT. I am explaining this copy down in the select a copy down, select a cell and then select the copy down icon to the right of the toolbar. In the toolbar select edit the select copy down in the drop down menu, copy across, select a cell and then select the copy across icon to the right of the toolbar. In the toolbar select edit, then select apply copy across the drop down menu. Go to the next. Method settings. Go to the modules one. Grid view, click the grid view. This is the summary method settings in code. You see the none. This is the different types of the summary methods. None and formula, average, ratio, and mean and maximum. I am explaining the already in this. What is average and ratio, mean and maximum. Go to the lesson. The summary method setting. Summary method define how the total of child cells in calculate into one value. For example, if you want to calculate the data in 10 cells, you have sum them, find their advantages or find the maximum value. Each data type has a default summary method. For example, sum is the default for the number data types, and no summary is the default for the boolean data types. Boolean means it is true or false. Go to the next. Lookup function, price growth module. Lookup function is look up the values. Look up the value will created a formula. Will be lookup function will be used in module reduce the module size. Pivot. Go to the modules. I'm explaining the pivot. How to use as pivot. This is a grid view. This is a pivot in this pivot. Tick the pivot bar. Pivot it will be display on the pages and columns and rows. Rows will be drop pages and columns will be time rows here. After that, okay, will be displayed on the in this columns and rows. This is called as a pivot. I am changing the once more. Times and columns. Line items will be rows. Will be automatically changes the months and line items will be displayed in and our requirement. Go to the next. Hard function is a function. It is a source module to the target module on the in a module. It is used on the extra extended on the module size. Go to the next. Functional area. What is the functional area? Functional area is a workspace administrator. Use functional area to categorize module, save view, and dashboard. The functional area used for it is creating actions and modules, and those are also called as a functional area. Functional area will be runs as a workspace administrator mainly. How to create the functional area and apply the functional area? Go to the modules one. Go to open the blueprint view. Once go to the modules. To see the modules and function area and line item, click the function area. To see the open and insert and deleted, I am inserting the one. We have any name. Okay, I am applying the hi. After that, okay. We'll be creating the functional area. Category will be apply the different types of the functional area. Revenue, direct cost, and human resource, overheads, assets, and finance. This is also functional area applied. We have any applying the direct terms. It okay. 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 Thank you, Rauli.
Thank you, Mahesh.
Thank you, Rauli.